So you can start off by at the Play Store. Go to your Play Store, search for LeadCon, LeadCon. Once you click on LeadCon, you will see the first app here as LeadCon Collar. Click on that and you can further go ahead and install it. So once the app is installed, click on open. So now that you have logged in, okay, you can see the details above. In the username, you're supposed to put in the username that we have just created, like sales team. Once you have logged in successfully, click on get started and now you're on the main page. We are going to start off this demo or the first testing by adding a new lead. So you can click on add new lead. You can choose the leads from inquiry form. And now you can see these were the three forms that we had selected while we were adding them. So I'm going to choose LeadCon demo. For the first time, I would suggest that you can add your own name. Once you have added that, click on next. And you can see this is a custom inquiry form. So currently this form being a demo form is like this, but you can go and create your own inquiry forms in a later period. So I'm just going to choose. Once done, click on submit. The lead is submitted and you can see it says lead added successfully. Click on view lead and you can see the current recent added lead is already here. I click on the name and now you are inside where you can see all the different details given below. Once you are here, click on call, for which you may have to give a permission. So allow the permission once. Click on call, click on the number and you can see the call has been placed. And you can cut the call. And against the call, once the call has been done, you can see there is a new pop-up window here where I can go and choose the status of the lead. So I can choose that this person is interested. You can choose the call status. So I choose call successful. I can add the notes of the meeting, to which I can also go and select a call reminder. So I can choose that on call on 2nd at so and so 3:15 p.m. I click on set reminder. The reminder is set. I click on done. And you can see here on the top, whatever we just added, all that information is already available. Now, as the customer has shared that, send information via email, I click on email. So once for the first time, it will ask you for permissions, allow the permissions. Now let's send them an email. I click on email and you can see there is a pop-up which asks you to select a category. I click on LeadCon demo. And you can see here are all the different sets of templates which are available. I choose a template that I would like to send our benefits. I choose the email ID. And you can see the whole email is already set here with all the different details. I just need to send, click on send, and the mail is on its way. If I want to send an SMS, I can also do in the same fashion that I'll choose, say for example, payment follow-up. I choose a number. And my SMS is already on its way. Then if I want to send WhatsApp, I click on WhatsApp. Okay, I choose what kind of a WhatsApp I want to send. I choose a number. It will ask you that would you like to add a country code. This country code is basically based on the country code that we chose in the beginning. And here is my complete message. I just need to click on send, and here we are. The message that we just chose is already on its way. And in a similar fashion, you can see all these details have been added here. So you can see the customer story on the basis of the notes that we added first, the email that was sent, the SMS that was sent, and the WhatsApp that was sent in one place. There are various other tools which are involved and you should explore all of them step by step by going through the link given below.